Myself, Dr. Suresh Agar, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today, I will discuss about pest of cruciferous vegetables. Then, most important pest of diamond wake moth. Scientific name Palutella uh, Jalostella. Then family Palutellidae and order Lepidoptera. Then distribution. This pest is distributed worldwide. Infested cruciferous plant of Brassica species cauliflower, uh, Brassica oleracea variety capitata, turnip, Brassica rapa, etc. Then identification of this pest. The mouth is grayish brown with narrow wings, having pale white triangle marking on inner margin of each forewing, which form three diamond-shaped white patch dorsally when winged are folded over back at rest. Then hence the name diamond back moth. The pest is active throughout the year. Then life cycle, each female laid 50 to 60 small whitish eggs singly along the veins or underside of leaf at night time. Egg hatch in about 7 days. Then caterpillar feed on under surface of leaf and bite holes in leaf and cause serious damage causing. Then holes on leaf with thread appearance on affected leaves. Then skeletonized leaves. This is a nature of damage. Then larva is greenish with short thin hairs on the body. Full grown caterpillar measures 1 to 1.5 centimeter and its body tapers toward both ends. The larval period is 14 days. Then pupation take place inside a thin loose mesh of silken cocoon. Pupal period is about 7 days. Then management removal and destruction of plant remnants in stubbles, debris after harvesting and plugging the field. Then transplanting 2 rows of mustard as per trap crop for every 25 rows of cabbage to attack more to mustard. Then larval parasite, Aphentalus rupicus and pupal parasite, Brachymeria examinata suppose population to use the biological control. Then foliar spray with 5% NSK for killing the eggs to obtain 5% neem seed extract. Take extract from 5 kg kernel powder in 100 liters of water. Then about 12.5 kg kernel powder is needed to cover 1 hectare with 250 liters in high volume spray for crops like chickpea. Then foliar spray on 30 days, 45 days of after transplanting with BT formulation 1 gram per liter. Then foliar spray with endospinoside 0.3 ml per liter. Last spray should be 15 days before harvesting. Then under several infestation, phenolated 1 ml per liter or cypermethrin 1 ml per liter or deltamethrin 1 ml per liter is recommended. Then second most important pest of cabbage borer. Then scientific name Helula, scientific name Helula undalis, family Pyralidae, order Lepidoptera. Then it infested cabbage, cauliflower, nolcol and beetroot. Then identification adult is a pale yellowish brown moth having grey heavy lines on the forewing. The female moth lays yellowish shiny eggs on leaf. Egg hatch in about 4 days. The caterpillar wave the leaves and bore into stem, stalk or leaf veins. They bore into the cabbage head, also making it unfit for consumption. The damage result in waved leaves. Then holes in cabbage head with fecal methods. Then life cycle, the caterpillar become full grown in about 9 days. Full grown caterpillar is 12 to 15 mm grayish yellow with 7 purple brown longitudinal strip on the body. Then full grown larva pupate in the larval burrow itself or in the soil. Pupal feed is about 6 days. Then management. Then management is similar to diamond wake moth. Uh, Removal and destruction of plant remains, stubbles, debris after harvesting and plugging the field. The transplanting and 2 rows of mustard as a tray crop or every 25 row of cabbage to attack moth to mustard. Then the management is the same as diamond bake moth. Then another cruciferous pest is cabbage leaf weaver. Cabbage leaf weaver scientific name Corosidomolia. Corosidomolia paonana. Then family Pyralidae, order Lepidoptera. It infested cabbage, radish, mustard, and other cruciferous plants. Adult is small with light brownish forewings. Female moth laid eggs in masses of 40 to 100 on underside of leaf. They hatch in 5 to 15 days. The caterpillar weaves together the foliage and feeds on leaves. It also feeds on flowers and pods. In the case of mustard and lower heads, in the cabbage and cauliflower, the caterpillar bears red head with brown longitudinal strip and row of tubercles on the body. The larval period is 24 to 27 days. The damage results in wavered leaves with fecal methods, sclerosed leaf. The pupation takes place in a cocoon. Within the wavered leaves, pupal period is 14 to 40 days. The management is similar to diamond bake moth. Then cabbage aphid. Cabbage aphid, scientific name Baricorni brachigi and Lipavus ericimi. Family Aphididae or order Homoptera. Then the aphid are yellowish with Baricorni brachigi and multiply pathogenetically. This pest infested crucifers in cold season. Both the nymph and adult suck sap from plant, causing loss of vigor, sooty molt due to extraction of honeydew, resulting the photosynthesis. Then foliar spray with malathion or dimethoate or methyl dimetone is at 2 ml per liter is effective. Then most important pest of painted bug. Scientific name Bagrada cruciferum. Family Pentatomidae. Order Hemiptera. Then adult is yellow with black marking. Nymph are reddish in color. It is a serious pest of cruciferous crops and widely distributed. Both nymph and adult suck sap the leaves, shoots, and pods, resulting in wilting of and loss of vigor of the plants. It feeds on cabbage, cauliflower, radish, etc. Then foliar spray with malathion and dimethoate or methyl dimetone, each at 2 ml per liter, is effective. Then tobacco caterpillar, Spodoptera letula, family Lucturidae, order Lepidoptera. It is a highly polyphagous pest, infested tobacco and cruciferous vegetables, custard, groundnut, tomato, and then caterpillar feed on leaves and fresh growth, active at night and cause extensive damage. The young caterpillar are greyish in nature and skeletonize the tender leaves. Then late of the broad leaves are completely eaten. The management is detailed under the coat. Then cabbage butterfly, scientific name Peris brachigi and Peris rapi, family Piridae, order Lepidoptera. The adult is a butterfly with its forewings so white having black distal margin. The hind wings pure white with black apical spots. The caterpillar is velvety green and measures about 4.2 centimeter in length. The caterpillars are gregarious initially but disperse as they grow. The skeletonized leaves and bore into heads of cabbage and cauliflower. The pupation in the damaged leaves. Then management two spray of fortnight interval of Carbaryl 30 g per liter are effective. Then IPM in cruciferous vegetables. Then removal and destruction of the crop residue to break the cycle of painted bug as well as leaf weaver in specific locality. Then growing mustard as a trap crop to in cabbage or cauliflower field. Mustard should be sown in paired, one row 15 days after planting and another 30 days after planting cabbage or cauliflower for every 25 rows of cauliflower and cabbage. Then application of neem seed kernel extract. 5% is synonymous with the incidence of diamond-back moth leaf weaver on cabbage, which is found safer to parasitoid like Cotesia pollutelli. Then opting of insecticide like dichlorowas only when situation warrants and sufficient time gap is available between spraying and harvesting. And this is a major pest of cruciferous vegetables. Thank you.